Now, as a part of ongoing promotions of Ek Thi Dayan, is an 8-part series which has been launched on the telly. Now, of course, the co-producers rather, Ekta Kapoor and Vishal Bhardwaj came together to launch the series. It's quite a casting coup. They got some of the biggest names on Indian television. Here, Shilpa Ratnam gets you more.
Television's favourite bahus came together on Monday evening to join forces with TV doyen Ekta Kapoor to vanquish evil, actually promote it. Kapoor announced an 8-part TV series called Ek Thi Nayika, featuring 8 of television's most famous names such as Smriti Irani, Sakshi Tanwar and Amna Sharif, and all this drama was to promote her upcoming horror film, Ek Thi Dayan. Naturally, the casting coup was a piece of cake for this producer who's made these bahus household names.
I want to thank my 8 Mahanayikas to actually go back, call all of them and have them all in 1 second say yes.
The other producer of the film Ek Thi Dayan, Vishal Bhardwaj, was also present at the launch, and while the television promotional activity seemed to be a far cry from his sensibilities and more in tune with those of Ekta Kapoor's, this is what he had to say.
Don't you think these different sensibilities make a deadly cocktail? जहाँ तक प्रमोशन का सवाल है, I think this is a brilliant stroke by Ekta, और ये फिल्म को बहुत अच्छे से प्रमोट करने वाला है.
Talking of a deadly cocktail, the leading ladies of Ek Thi Dayan, Huma Qureshi, Konkona Sen Sharma and Kalki Kochlin will be making special appearances in this TV series, while its other actor Imran Hashmi will be making an appearance in its finale. Vishal Bhardwaj and Ekta Kapoor will also be making their television debuts with Ek Thi Nayika.
I am coming in a small cameo at one of the episodes, but I'm going to take my cue from Vishal because show his acting is tonic, then I'm going for mine.
While Ek Thi Dayan is set to hit the big screens on the 18th of April, Ek Thi Nayika, the TV series, will be premiering on Life OK on the 9th of March.
आठ कहानियों में
In Mumbai, Shilpa Ratnam.